Hey guys, this is Charlie subbing in for TheTopher, bringing you a unique opportunity from Toyota here to drive successive model years of their GR lineup. So we started the morning here in the GR86, so check the link below if you want to see that, with 3 different model year progressions, and then moved into Supra, which is on its last model year, and now we're moving into GR86. Now, I will put the changes from year to year to year up on the screen so you all can see them. What year is this one that we're getting into here? R. That would be a 24 model year, and then that is the 26 coming in bright yellow. What is this car cross about? Did somebody take their seatbelt off a little too soon? This is a Subaru thing. This is Subaru's influence coming through in this Toyota to freak out that the car is stopped without a seatbelt on. There we go. Okay. We're getting tossed right in here. Let's go AC off, track mode. Okay, 24, premium. Get used to the clutch grab on this one. Bouncing from car to car to car today. Also, headroom, the least good of the 3 cars we've driven today. GR Corolla is the winner for headroom. This car does stand to be the most fun and carefree out here because the GR Corolla was really good. I liked that more than the Supra. The Supra is fast and impressive, but not fun in the way that the GR Corolla is. Oh, the gearbox is much tighter than the Toyota BMW product. And already we're floating around some. So much more steering feel than the Supra. Much higher red line too. I gotta remember I'm working with a lot less grip, although a lot less weight as well. I gotta be careful coming over some of these crests. Oh yeah, a lot less mechanical grip. Woo! Oh, no rev matching. Gotta do that myself, okay? Here we go. Strong turning. Back on the power. Floated all the way out. Oh yeah. I am catching the Supra. Let's try 3rd gear through this double apex. Round. Gotta lean off a little bit. I didn't think we'd catch the Supra like that, but we did. This car is more fun. I'm sorry to tell you if you're a Supra owner, the Supra looks cooler, it's faster, it's quicker, but this platform has always been one of my favorite platforms to just drive. It's just such a good, fun, well dialed in driver's car, unlike so many vehicles we have on the road today. And I'm curious to see how the 26 is going to feel different. I'm going to take a quick peek at my notes here to see some of the raw changes. What a fun little car. No wonder why the TheTopher has had 2 of them. This one should theoretically feel just a little bit more connected, a little bit snappier possibly. All right. And also very yellow, with some extra body kit aspects as well. I am a huge fan of yellow cars and a huge fan of the 86, so this is pretty awesome. Also, look at this, quad exhaust. Are these real? The fact that these ones are pretty empty. Yeah, I don't think there's anything coming out of this pipe. Oh no, there is something coming out of here. Okay, where does it split? All right, it's literally just from this muffler. So it's a 1-into-4 exhaust. That's fine. All right. Ugh. Subaru is mad again. do like the way that exhaust sounds though, which is good because the engine and engine note has always been one of my least favorite aspects of the GR86 and the BRZ. Oh, this one feels lighter, I'll tell you that much. The steering's a little lighter. I don't know if I'd necessarily say it's more fun. It feels maybe a little bit more confidence inspiring though. Maybe a little bit better turn in. What a great chassis. Did I miss the cone? I did miss the cone. That was close. I wanted some fifth gear there. Oh, what a good little car. So I think the idea is we're going to get more time in all of these cars throughout the day. So I'll drop some more of the footage in here. But no crazy meaningful performance improvements for the 86, but I love the color, I love the sound, and I just love this car in general. Let's take another spin in the 86 here. It's a car that on a track like this with all the elevation and the straights, if you don't keep it just right on line and up in the power band, you do miss out a little bit. So I think the TheTopher would want me to go full traction off. So much more of a rudimentary feeling car compared to the other two. Just the way that your foot goes down on the clutch pedal and the shifting, and it all feels more mechanical and real coming out of the Supra. It is a little tough to go from car to car to car because you start to get a line down, but because these three cars are also different, you kind of need a different line for each one. Alright, I need to apex this one a little bit later. There we go. But again, this car, because the revs are down, you can get on power a lot earlier, and you kind of need to get on power a lot earlier. I'm losing grip. I like the 86. I need to try to get right into the yellow one after this. I don't see it. I think I like the the earlier one, the steering feels heavier. It feels more meaty. The new one felt a little less significant. So I'm curious. I'll try to get in it one last time here. We're getting back into 26. The last car I drove was the 24 again. So back and forth, back and forth. And I want to revisit that kind of concept that this one a little less mechanical, a little bit less playful, perhaps, than the 24. Let's maybe, let's go full track off. Yeah, the steering is just different, and I can't tell you I necessarily like it. Now I'm concentrating so much more on the track now after going out in that TCR car. But yeah, I love the exhaust note of this one. I love the way it looks. Yeah. And maybe around town be a little different, but the steering just doesn't quite, we're not quite there for me. Huh.